Deep in the backwaters of Grey County, Ontario, there's a legend, a man who can solve children's squabbling with a chainsaw. After the kids have gathered firewood for the evening's hog roast, many problems can arise. For example, what happens when there's not enough chairs and too many kids to watch the hog cook over the evening's embers? Well, let's call the hillbilly chair maker.
Hey, kid! Who wants to make a chair? We're gonna make a chair. What you need is a big log, like this one right here. There we go.
Plug your ears, boys and girls. It's gonna get loud. With a few deft plunges of the chainsaw, this old poplar log will become 2 more chairs for the wee ones to sit around and watch old Porky grow tasty by the fire. There's the legs. Just pop out those little pieces there, yeah. Now there you can see the legs nice and clear. Let's make a seat. Plunge that in. There we go. Look at that. Brush off the dust with the little one's derriere. Bingo!
So if you want your kids to stop fighting, use a chainsaw.
Look at those happy faces sitting there, waiting for dinner. Look at that.
Next week, Muskoka chainsaw and chairs. Got about 10 hours? You can make one of these here babies, no problem.